First, in HD, this is 13 Eyewitness News, live at 5.
New at 5, attorneys are calling it a case of unbelievable greed.
This is a classic case of putting profits ahead of people.
During a heartbreaking time, a local family trusted a cemetery to take care of their loved ones' remains. Now they're living out their worst fears.
What do we find out if they're not there? Who are we been talking to? Who have we been grieving for?
Several families have filed lawsuits against the company that's based here in Houston. They're alleging their loved ones' remains were either discarded or lost as that cemetery made room for new plots.
Service Corporation International, based here in Houston, owns the cemetery, Eden Memorial Park in L.A. Eyewitness News reporter Maya Shea spoke to a local family whose parents are buried in that cemetery. Maya?
The Kahlenbergs of Houston say they are devastated. They have visited their parents buried at that Eden Memorial Cemetery since the 1970s, but now they are wondering if the graves are among those allegedly disturbed within the last 10 to 15 years.
If you could see us all smiling, we were all happy.
Dinah and Edward Kahlenberg look over their wedding photos, which show her parents joyful, elated over the wedding. But concerns over their parents' final resting place have left the couple horrified.
I am very, very angry. I'm very disappointed. I'm very hurt.
Last week, lawyers in California filed a class action lawsuit against operators of Eden Memorial Park, a Jewish cemetery. The suit alleges cemetery workers damaged and removed vaults in order to sell additional burial plots.
They were breaking, according to our investigation, portions of the vaults in an effort to place another vault too close to a vault that was already in the ground, all with the hope and all under the scheme of placing too many vaults in a designated area.
Service Corporation International owns that cemetery. The company is based here in Houston, but it would not talk to us on camera, instead issuing a statement, saying in part allegations against Eden Memorial Park have surfaced as a result of a recently filed class action lawsuit. While very salacious, these allegations are just that, allegations. The Kahlenbergs, though, remain extremely worried. They don't know if their parents' graves have been disturbed and fear the worst.
I did notice the last time we were out is that it didn't look right. There was some space where it looked like, you know, we used to say, gee, they got a neighbor now.
Told me this afternoon that he's in contact with the class action lawsuit attorney to see how he can be involved. In addition, he plans to go to Los Angeles next week to see firsthand if his in-laws' graves have been disturbed. Maya Shea, 13 Eyewitness News.
SCI faced similar allegations at two cemeteries in Florida back in 2001. The company was accused of digging up bodies at cemeteries in Palm Beach and Broward counties and dumping human remains to make room for more burials. The company has paid more than $100 million in settlements with families.